Okay, welcome back. We'll be doing a multi-time frame analysis, and I'm going to be doing my best to make sure this is as short as possible. Now, in multi-time frame analysis, I'll just simply give you my approach. I don't want to get you. I don't want to start drumming so many details. Let me just give you my approach. Very simple. There's something I call my anchor charts. Sorry. And okay, let me just put it this way. Anchor charts. Let me see. 4 hours, 1 hour, and I have what I call my trading time frame. And my trading time frame, let me take this back. Trading time frame. It's let me show the 1 hour and the 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, looking at the chart now, you'll spot something. Let me just take this out. Okay, my anchor chart, 4 hours, trading time frame. Okay, anchor chart, 4 hour, trading time frame, 1 hour. And when my anchor chart is 1 hour, my trading time frame is going to be 15 minutes. Now, what do I mean by the word anchor chart? When I look at the word, when I say anchor chart, I mean this is the chart I look at to understand or ascertain the current bias or order flow in the market. Now, my trading time frame is the time frame where I go to take trade in the direction or relative with the existing bias, which is the current bias in the market. Let me put it this way. If on the 4 hours, the market is bullish, which is my anchor chart, when I go to my trading time frame, which is my 1 hour, I should take trades that align with the bullish bias of the market. Now, on the 1 hour, if the existing bias or order flow in the market is bearish, which is on the anchor chart, is bearish. When I go to my trading time frame, which is the 15 minutes, I should be taking trades that are in line with the existing bias or flow, order flow that is on the 1 hour. So you trade the bias of the 4 hours on the 1 hour, and you trade the bias of the 1 hour on the 15 minutes. So this is how I do it. If I'm trying to trade the 1 hour chart, I should be looking at what's happening on the 4 hours chart. And I would not negate or go against the flow on the 4 hours. And if I'm trying to trade the 1 hour, I should be looking at what's happening on the 15 minutes. Now, take note of this very important point that I want to add here now. A 15 minutes change of order flow will imprint itself on the 1 hour. I will explain this further. And a 1 hour change of order flow will imprint itself on the 4 hours. What do I mean by this? Now, I pay attention to the change of character on the 15 minutes on the 15 minutes, which is serving as my trading time frame. And I equally pay attention to the 1 hour, which is my anchor chart. Please just pay attention so you don't miss this very thing I'm trying to say. This is very, very important. If the expectational order flow on 1 hour is bearish, for example, and you notice a valid change of character on the 15 minutes to be bullish, now you are expected to trade the bullish bias for the short term and not the bearish bias. You only trade when you are on the 1 hour, for example, and you went to the 15 minutes and you noticed a valid change of character on the 15 minutes, please trade that change of character, trade the order flow that aligns with the 15 minutes change of character. Why? It will not take long after the imprinting of either 4 or 8 candle. You will notice something. The order flow or the existing order flow on the 1 hour will change to align with what just happened on the 15 minutes. And it will take it will take 4 candles from the 1 hour for what just happened on the 1 hour. It will take 4 1-hour candle to change the order flow on the 4 hours. That's why I said, for example, if you are on the 1 hour chart, let me just make a very quick drawing now. Let me say this is the 1 hour chart. You are looking at the 1 hour chart and you spotted the market. The market was actually being bearish. Let me say the market was doing, let me take this out first. Let me say the market was actually bearish, something like this. And let me say this is the 1 hour now. Let me put this here. Let's say this is the 1 hour. And right on the 15 minutes, for example, 15 minutes. Right on the 15 minutes. We spotted something like this. Let me say on the 15 minutes, it should be something like this. Should be sentence like this. Let me say it should be sentence like this. It's not going to be appearing straight. So a lot of movement. And on the 15 minutes, you noticed a change of character. And you noticed a change of character on the 15 minutes. Remember, the chart does not move in a straight line. And you notice the change of character in the 15 minutes. This is where the change of character happened. It is expected of you. Now, this is an indication that the bulls just stepped into the market. You trade the bullish bias for the short term, maybe targeting this high here, which is unmitigated. You take your profit here. As simple as that. Now, when should you start trading this bullish bias as an order flow on the 1 hour? You have to wait until this 1 hour breaks structure. When you notice a change of character, a change of order flow on the 15 minutes, you can trade it for the short term. But the moment it becomes imprinted on the 1 hour, it means you can trade it either on an intraday or interday approach. So when we are looking at the anchor chart and the trading time frame, you don't just look at blindly what is happening on the 4 hours, on the 1 hour, but you should know how to get the two to flow together. If not, you are setting up yourself for something heavy. When we start dealing more on change of character and break of structure, you actually know everything I've been saying so far. Before the end of every concept of topic I've created, I will give you a very quick entry, precise entry and exit approach. So just keep on keeping on. I am gradually building on every concept. Take note of every word I've said so far. Now, in conclusion, what did I just say? In conclusion, your trading time frame should always align with what's happening on the anchor chart. And when you spot a change of character on the trading time frame, you should trade in line with that change of character on the trading time frame for the short term until it becomes imprinted on your anchor chart. Now, when it becomes imprinted on your anchor chart, you can take it for the longer term or intraday trend or intraday trading. So that being said, at this point, I am saying thank you. We should be looking at the next concept after this.